It might be a dead rubber. It's just a hint of Katie. The big goes up. That's a duck. It's Dowley, the wily veteran again.
From Tim Dowley, followed him, Taylor. Oh boy, you look back like that. Bouncing off day to remember.
At the crease, just 3 things. Bubba at number 3. Higley, look at the bounce. Look out. Oh, nice comfortable catch. Chuck out there, Katie Martin.
Well, from a batting technique.
Just started 4-1. International cricket is World Cup. Nice, flat, good area to hit. Hit to boundary.
All the nips across. He creates so much in that area. Effectively, it's a free hit, getting a little bit of extra bounce in the turn away. Trader and square leg in place.
Slow lips to do. It's going to be busy out. Yeah, he's a good sweeper, Mohammed Rizwan. All up at times from centre, but hit it flat out to mid-wicket, going back to mid-wicket. Comes that chap. It's got a little bit of work with Rizwan.
Just got nicely on the floor, see Roosting like this one. John takes 10 runs off it.
They need it.
I think, yeah, we're definitely taking it against the world. Played in a mini world event, so there are a couple, so it's...
Should you Phillips had? New Zealand were 20 for 3 sides.
Yeah, I got back from for a period, and then I love doing batting with GPs.
There's Matt Henry. One. You want to get that from a little bit of body, but he's going to bowl. Try and pull Mark Chapman. Real frustration. He's a little bit out of the neck. Oh, that's done, and then under the gloves. Yeah, Barbara Zahn will be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I mean, this is the most follows it. He is a. I just wonder if he's so wary. Get in, stay in. But they've all this middle team. Hamilton. And dropped against the same bloke. Oh no! And he's got a. Oh no, it's Judge. He was right there. Caught between it, changed his mind. A couple of big lead-off ends. On to this one. Thinking about the opportunity. How long does it take to shake it?
But one thing people won't know, it makes it up for Simon Dooley. So Scotty, you're looking way better than Dooley.
Great shot. Got awkward a number of times in my life. The most awkward I've ever felt was taken. It was ahead of over extra cover. Axie finest, couple of steps and hit.
Rizwan starting to actually tie.
Over before drinks. And it's Sodi. Oh, I couldn't have dealt with.
Could he have done better there? This guy was hanging there for a wee while. He would have never really a chance. They're both very different.
Holes. Great understanding. I'll be oh, that's it. And Phillips takes it, the end of his arm. It's been catch. And Mark Chapman
going with the spin, but Craigman not the side to try, because you have to hit it a lot. One ball away from being halfway to they've got, without a doubt.
Recent matches, so it's a straight match.
Shona. Oh, could be a chance, could be a chance. No, that's... Well, I was looking at Phillips, chases Phillips.
In this shot, but head off 85 metres, that is a...
Now he tries something else.
Almost predicting that it was going to be short.
He'll swing it again on the last one.
It's out the middle. That's the extra pace from Ferguson.
Well, Mac, you stood out there in the batting display along the ground and you hit it hard.
1 metres.
And he's hot, isn't he? Yeah. Shows he's thinking. 67 for 2.
There's everything into it. Now he's got the shortest.
That's where he's going at one bounce.
Oh, he might be on a heat. Miles outside off stump. It's a free. Did fucker Zaman up and over. Nearly went for 6.
Making that long boundary look quite small. Now straight. Oh, he won't get it at 6 more. What Pakistan needed in this.
Flat. That was not fucker Zaman said, I don't care. I'm going out in front of the hand from Sodi.
And you pull off a spectacular catch. Which... Didn't say cameraman, didn't say person. They're going upstairs.
Okay, that's very... Yep, thank you.
Look, I don't want to say it. He's the worst reviewer in the game. Yes, he is. And it's despite an onslaught from Pucker.
Off cutter through the shot. And New Zealand have finally held on to one. Dangerous today. Fuckers them up.
Oh, yeah. Into the outer. Just one, though, to go.
He brought some momentum to the innings with 20.
Oh,
Because it looks like Rizwan had them find the boundary.
oh yes, boy. He's been in the situation probably plenty. And they need something in the lane. By the way, Tim Southey, 38th wicket of anyone. Wrong and again. Yeah. Barry Sodi.
Really nicely today. That didn't turn.
No, Oz can't push and prod around. Looking for some room. And the innings is stalling. 22 from his four. Really good.
Hard shot for the left hand to the leg side. Sodi has a sell from the New Zealand left.
And Lacquer is. Rizwan could be out. He could be out. He is. Khan have got it. Name as a catch.
Oh, after, but there is a little bit of breeze. The bat holding it. Nice cut. He strikes again. Bigly oval. Good innings from 91.
Gone too.
Through an innings. Just a good extra bounce can be the difference. Here's a look at the bat. He's hit the stick.
4, yes it does.
Gone at 10.6 middle Pakistan, but nothing from them.
Come out, look quite good. 3 balls he's faced.
Well, the play, so now it's 7
So far for the visitors.
Very good afternoon. It's using my giant head. I think is one of the great repurposing. He looks focused. Yes. The pitch beforehand was still had.
It was really about getting into goodness role, and I feel when the batters are being.
Oh, yes.
You lose a wicket here, and then you bring in your Tamir. He's still to batting. Shafridi as well, so very much.
Oh, Sats.
in due course, but the bowlers, I wonder if they are effective for them. Really changed.
Oh,
Southey, think about that last wicket he took. It was a bad review in the third.
Yeah, it's a great Canterbury day. 2 matches here, but yeah, great to see him. A fantastic family.
Oh, it's a credit to you and your
Capable of playing international cricket and playing good headaches to have, I guess. Yeah, it's a good catch there on the circle.
Well, yeah. And the umpires are now going to turns to his partner and he's called out. There's no to Young. It's a good catch. Running 104.
And try and pride our situations in different surfaces.
A reason for going back to push the team's approach. Oh, that is good. Lost track of that.
Look, I mean, the World Cup, so I think I was there with.
He's on pace this time. Head out to cover point. Just the one.
Bit of success is actually clearing that front leg.
Lovely cricket shot.
That's a great shot, this. She'll clear the front leg, hold the shape. We did actually see one ramp shot.
That's true. All straight into the pad. Oh, bottom edge of the bat, just the one. Between 113 and 180. Low ball that's not quite slow enough. Interested here. Oh, that. Anders. And Shane Shah turns and goes.
Just opened up his tee, slid off the face of the bat, straight down. Shafridi is out.
Oh, I don't know if he has. Yes. Ball. And it's
Good hand position, hands back, cleared the 81 metres.
tries again. To 2. Interesting. He has a bus and the Henry over. 8 for 7. Come off the leg and he still can't pick it.
It's a great innings from a bus. Blow it into the wicket and then the Yorker is
Taken. Glenn Phillips once again.
was out on the leg side. Just got a great catch though, and you're going to get caught. He is held. Han goes.
What a bit to use 7 and New Zealand's batting in 6 and there's a match. Ferguson might be out. No, they get through. Finishes on 154 back in 2021 today. 2 for
Early here.
Silly about it. Maybe this pitch is a little bit too paced. Maybe there's if it is a little slow, trying to bowl the person and provide scoring opportunity, do yourself a disservice. Well, I think he just came down the stairs, something.
Series. He's just 2 away from series.
Oh. There he goes. He's hit this pretty well. Just 4.
Just that press forward. Such a good shot. Series in New Zealand.
Wow, it was just a...
That down. That is a free hit. Just the quick hand. That was the key there, and that was...
Ravindra. It's not going to work for him with no control, and he's kicking it.
Extra bit of wish that. Trying to hit the fielder at third man. Over the top. Richard Ravindra, New Zealand 12 for 1.
You could easily be putting the lack of pace. It's a shot he likes. Square drive. These two are quick. Really, what is that backlift? Well, over the top. He needed to be another foot there.
Just angling across. Finn Allen. You guy with the gloves. You have...
I saw it. Too much width. 24 for 1.
Earlier and then here.
The ink out or in?
Last couple of
Summer for them, or New Zealand.
when you're not winning, and I have to say I've come in from the outside in a celebrity boxing.
Has he got it? Yes, yes. Finn Allen is just standing and waiting. Going to just have a look at this on the slow-mo. For your time, and it's 30 for 1.